Hello there, it's Aaron from Lazer Lamps, and today I'm going to be showcasing the products that we have available for the 2020 Land Rover Defender. On the white Land Rover Defender we have here, we've got a LR 1250 Grille Kit installation. This is one bar fitted in with our Grille Kit. You can see we have our Grille Kit mounts either side holding the lamp in place. It's a very sturdy installation and it doesn't take too long to install either. If you don't want one lamp and you'd prefer to have two separate lamps, you can of course go for the LR 750 install like we have here. The brackets do change a little bit as opposed to the 1250 install, but again they install the same way and they do make for a very neat installation. This black Defender has got the Adventure Pack, which means it comes with a OEM roof rack. With the roof rack we have installed the RRR Linear 36, as you can see here. We've used a set of riv nuts to house the standard linear brackets either side on the vehicle. So they bolt into place using an anti-theft screw, making it a very secure install and very sturdy as well. With the cable routing for the linear lamp, you can literally run the cable along the roof rack itself, down, and then thanks to our new 3-metre extension kit, we've now changed the profiling from a round cable to a flat cable, meaning that the cable will fit inside the channels that we have up here on the roof. They'll come along, down, and then down the A-pillar trim themselves, and you can physically tuck the wire into the A-pillar trim, meaning that you won't see any cabling at all. The cabling from there will go into the bonnet, and there you can make your connections for your relay. If you haven't got an OEM Adventure Pack fitted onto your car, we haven't left you out. We do have two sets of brackets available, both for the LR24, as you can see here, and then we've also got one for the RRR Linear 42, which is a little bit shorter in terms of height than these brackets. And again, the cable routing is exactly the same, where it goes through the channel and down the A-pillar trim into the engine bay. So those are the products that we have developed here at RRR for the Land Rover Defender, and we do have something as well in the pipeline. If you don't like the look of these lamps, we have developed a bespoke roof pod mounting kit where you can have two of the RRR Linear 12 Elite lamps either side of the vehicle, and these will be available late summer. We're hoping it's going to be around about August time. So those are the options that you have for your Land Rover Defender. Hope you guys found this video informational and interesting, and I hope that you like the products that we have on offer here at Lazer Lamps. Make sure you check us out on our social media pages, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you for watching.